Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the thermistor clip on your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and tilt forward. Remove the 2 screws from the clip and lift it off the assembly. To install the new thermistor clip, place the clip over the 2 pegs. Rethread the 2 screws. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Plug in the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.